Welcome to Prince Math Clinic, the e-learning solution at your pace and time.
Good day to you all and welcome once again to class. Today we shall be looking at this particular question on the board, and without wasting time, let's go right into the solution. Log 27 to the power of 3 over 2 minus log. Now this is 5 multiplied by root of 5 all to the power of 3, not fifth root. You can see the 5 is not inside the root, it is outside. So this is 5 multiplied by the square root of 5. Everything over log of 0.6. Now let us start the simplification process. 27 can be written as 3 to the power of 3, right? Because 3 times 3 is 9 times 3 is 27. So this becomes log 3 to the power of 3. Now there is a power here of what? 3 over 2 minus, then log, I will open a bracket, this 5 I'll write it down, times root of 5 is the same as 5 to the power of half, all to the power of 3. Mind you, this is the same as 5 to the power of 1. Then everything over log of 6 over 10 is the same as 0.6. Then I can break it down. 2 can go in 6 3 times, 2 can go in 10 5 times. So instead of writing 6 over 10, I'll write log 3 over 5. Good. Then I want to simplify everything in the bracket, here and here. So this gives me what? Log. If I simplify this, 3 times 3 will be what? 9 over 2. Then minus. Then if I simplify what is in the bracket first here, 1 plus 1 over 2 is 1.5. So 1.5, which is 2 times 1, 2 plus 1, 3. So this becomes 3 over 2. So this becomes 3 over 2. Remember, is the power multiplied by 3 that is outside. So 3 times 3 will give you 9, then over 2. So I'll write it as 9 over 2. Everything over, then this, going from the law that says that when I have what? Log of A over B is the same as log A minus log B, right? I am going to use that law here. So the law here becomes what? Log 3 minus log 5. So let's simplify further. Now simplifying this further, this becomes log 3 minus log 5. Now since the both of them carry the power of 9 over 2, I'll bring 9 over 2 here, then divided by, then I have log of 3 minus log 5. It makes our work simple. Everything here cancels everything here. So I have 9 over 2 divided by 1. And 9 over 2 divided by 1 is still 9 over 2, which is the same as 4 number 1 over 2, or 4.5. Hope the solution was helpful. If it was, kindly click on the subscribe button if you have not subscribed to this channel. Like this video and share it with your friends and colleagues. Bye for now.